In this video, I attempted to ask AI about how to make $1 million from the internet, and this is the surprising answer given by AI to me. It's important to note that generating $1 million in one day is an extremely ambitious and unrealistic goal, regardless of whether or not AI is involved. While AI can assist in certain aspects of business and financial decision-making, it cannot guarantee instant wealth. Building wealth takes time, effort, and often involves a combination of various strategies and investments. Here are some more reasonable long-term approaches to building wealth. 1. Start a successful business. Build a business around a product or service that meets a demand in the market. Focus on delivering value, marketing effectively, and scaling your operations over time. 2. Invest in stocks and other assets. Learn about investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other investment vehicles. Develop a diversified portfolio and make informed investment decisions based on thorough research and analysis. 3. Build passive income streams. Look for opportunities to generate passive income, such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or online businesses that generate recurring revenue. 4. Develop valuable skills. Invest in yourself by acquiring valuable skills and expertise that can lead to higher-paying job opportunities or entrepreneurial ventures. 5. Save and budget. Develop good saving habits and create a budget to manage your finances effectively. Minimize unnecessary expenses and allocate funds towards investments or business growth. 6. Seek professional advice. Consult with financial advisors or experts who can provide personalized guidance based on your specific financial goals and circumstances. Remember, there is no guaranteed shortcut to overnight wealth. It's important to approach financial goals with patience, realistic expectations, and a long-term mindset. Building wealth is a journey that requires discipline, perseverance, and a well-thought-out plan.